Alright, made a bit of a heater core box for the Fox body heater core to go into the Camaro. As you can see, it's got some guides in there. It's obviously wedged in there, but it does fit in a better way, quite loose. So we got room for insulators and rubber. But yeah, here's the basic design. It has a little cover plate with those little rollover clips. This is our inlet. It's going to blow a shit ton of air in there. Obviously it'll be sealed off from here to there, so it'll have to blow through the heater core itself. It's 2.5 inch pipe, and then our outlet, which I can take that off so you can see it better, is going to be these guys here. I got a bunch of these off AliExpress a long time ago. I'm going to put them all on different angles, putting that way to this degree so they can snake down and go anywhere they need to go. And I don't want to use straight pipe just for the fact that I can put more of these together and put them off on an angle and put them right up close and still have room for the tubes. If I put them with straight, I'm kind of limited because I need room to maybe get a weld but also have the hose go on, so they can't be buttoned up. But this way, to give you a bit of an example, I can have that there and there and there, and you know, have lots of different heights and lengths and make it easier. Yeah. Now we'll go to the car and I'll show you where it's going to go in. If you saw our previous video, we have the Fox body heater core in there, or the blower motor, sorry. And then this guy is going to go right to where the OEM holes are. And yeah, go in there. We'll have some flexi spiral vacuum tube. It's just almost like a fabric hose with a single spiral core to stop it collapsing. And yeah, it'll go in there. We're not overthinking it. I kind of wish I would have made this out of aluminum, but I don't have any aluminum kicking around, and I don't want to spend too much money. Maybe later down the road we could even 3D print this in many pieces, glue it together, or figure something out. But for now, we're gonna follow the David Freiberger motto of don't get it right, get it done, because this project is, I mean, over 2 years long in the making. Granted, things have really got out of hand quite fast on the build. I mean, originally it was just going to be this chassis, V10 in there, figure out whatever diff, weld it up so I have a locker and move on with my life. But now we've swapped to the RX-8 front suspension. I mean, it's now a steering rack car, not a steering box. It's all IRS in the back. I mean, it's a weirdo narrowed S13 240SX rear subframe. I mean, that was a whole month or probably 6 months of my life just figuring that out and getting it done, but fun. And that's what this whole project is about having fun and having a fun car in the end. But yeah, so that's where the heater box is going to look like. I was hoping to have it more in the center so the air would kind of dissipate out, but honestly, with the amount that motor blows and the restriction of the heater core itself, I mean, it's going to be high pressure on this side to probably a low pressure that, which is what you want, so it will be flowing out. And we're just going to seam sealer and thread tape or put tape over the edges, kind of like a foil duct tape or something like that, and move on with our lives. So yeah, if you like it, give us a like. If you got any comments of how to do it better, put them down below. I may not follow it, but I do like to hear you guys' opinion. But yeah, like and subscribe for more shitty Camaro V10 stuff. So yeah, smell you later.